Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered how a nighttime serum could help reduce the visible signs of aging, leaving your skin smoother, firmer, and more radiant by morning? Let's talk about the L'Oréal Paris Age Perfect Anti-Aging Midnight Face Serum, a product designed to help restore your skin while you sleep. With its hyaluronic acid formulation, it's made for those seeking a more youthful glow, especially as skin matures. The L'Oréal Paris Age Perfect Anti-Aging Midnight Face Serum is a powerhouse designed to replenish antioxidant levels while your skin is at its most receptive for repair overnight. This serum claims to smooth out wrinkles, firm the skin, and enhance overall radiance. What makes it stand out is its gentle, dermatologist-tested formula that's suitable for all skin types and tones, even sensitive skin. And let's not forget, it's free from parabens and mineral oils, which is a huge plus for those mindful of harsh ingredients. Now, let's dive into the details. The main ingredient, hyaluronic acid, is a hydrating wonder that works to plump the skin and lock in moisture, helping to smooth out fine lines. It's known for its ability to hold water molecules, so it's great for giving your skin that hydrated, youthful appearance. This serum is marketed as being ideal for mature skin, particularly for individuals looking to restore firmness and radiance as their skin ages. It's dermatologist-tested, so you know it's been evaluated for both safety and effectiveness. When I tested this serum, I was immediately struck by its lightweight texture. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue, making it perfect for a nighttime routine. I applied it just before bed, and by morning, my skin felt noticeably softer and more hydrated. It didn't irritate my skin, which is a huge plus for those with sensitive or reactive skin like mine. Over time, I noticed a subtle improvement in skin texture and the appearance of fine lines around my forehead and eyes. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, the texture is light and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy feel behind, which I love for a nighttime product. I also appreciated that it didn't cause any irritation. It's something I always worry about with anti-aging products. The hyaluronic acid does its job, and after a week of use, I saw improved hydration and smoother skin. However, it's worth noting that the effects were gradual, and if you're looking for a quick fix for deep wrinkles, this might not be an instant solution. The fragrance, while mild, could be a bit much for those sensitive to scents. As for value, this serum is priced on the higher end of the drugstore spectrum. It's certainly not the cheapest option, but given its formulation and results, it's priced competitively for the quality you're getting. It's important to consider that the brand claims this serum is preferred over a leading luxury night serum based on an independent consumer preference study. If you're in the market for a luxury feel without the high-end price tag, this product could be a solid alternative. When comparing it to similar serums on the market, L'Oréal's offering stands out with its focus on mature skin, hyaluronic acid, and the commitment to avoid parabens and mineral oil. While there are other options that may come with additional actives like retinol or vitamin C, this one sticks to the basics, making it a great starting point for those who want hydration and anti-aging benefits without overwhelming their skin with too many ingredients. In terms of build quality, the serum comes in a sleek, modern bottle that feels well-designed. It's easy to use, and the pump is a nice touch, ensuring you get the right amount of product each time. As for longevity, a little goes a long way, and after using it consistently for a few weeks, the bottle still feels like it has plenty left, which makes it a solid investment. I haven't personally interacted with L'Oréal's customer service for this product, but the brand's reputation for addressing customer concerns is solid. They are known for offering support in case of any issues, and with a product like this, you'd expect them to respond promptly if needed. In terms of product alternatives, if you're on a budget, there are plenty of hyaluronic acid-based serums out there. While they may not have the exact formulation that targets mature skin like L'Oréal's serum, options like The Ordinary's hyaluronic acid serum provide a more affordable alternative that still offers great hydration. To wrap it up, L'Oréal Paris Age Perfect Anti-Aging Midnight Face Serum is a great choice for those looking to improve hydration and address the early signs of aging. It may not offer instant dramatic results, but it delivers solid, gradual improvements. If you're someone with sensitive skin or are looking for a gentle yet effective anti-aging serum, this one is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the product in the description box below. If you've tried this serum, drop a comment and share your experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.